Hello everyone, apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and separate away from the back section and the middle section of the hair. Grab two strands of it and grab another strand from the front section, making it go in between the braids gap. Continue doing it until you empty every hair in the middle section and do the braiding as normal as you would do later on. Then do another braiding at the section right behind it and combine the braid and the remaining section of the hair together and attach lovely hair cluster. Have 5 ponytails on either side of your hair and split the first tail into 2 and have it combined behind the second one. Continue doing it for all the tails, and with the remaining tail at the bottom, continue doing it by splitting them into 2 and have it combine them together with another rubber band, then pinch out the hair in the middle. Make hair ties on either side of the hair, and with the back section, have a ponytail on top part of it and insert a very long bun maker behind it and twist the entire hair onto it. Then continue swirling it in a clockwise direction until you hide every hair and also the excessive bun maker behind the bun. Then adjust a pretty tip and split the back section of the hair into 2 and braid it along the tail we already created and secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the left side as well. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair, split them into 2 and have it braided and separate the back section away and have a ponytail on the side section, and also do the same on the left side and combine both the tails together at the bottom right over the braid and drop it inside for a twisted pan and drop your favorite hair cluster. Have a ponytail on the top section of the hair and 2 ponytails at the bottom and have a very beautiful hair cluster that has ribbons which has been already made into a bow tie, and split a ponytail into 2 and have it braided along with them. Then after that, combine the braid with the ponytail at the bottom respectively. Then have them braided and roll to the top and secure with the excessive part of the ribbon. Apply some hair serum onto your hair and comb it and separate the back section away and make a ponytail on the back, and on top of the middle section make it braided and the section right below it, split them into 2 parts and braid it along with the braid we already have. Then complete the braid and have it secure with the rubber band. Then have a section right behind the first one and have it into a ponytail, have another ponytail right behind it and braid it along with the remaining hair. Apply some hair serum onto your hair and comb it and separate the back section away, and on top of the middle section make a ponytail and have multiple rubber bands and extend the hair for making it bulbous and combine them to a ponytail at the bottom and have it braided in a thicker manner. And after that, secure the end with the rubber band, then decorate your hairstyle by dropping lovely hair cluster on top of the rubber bands. Have a ponytail on top section of the hair and set a very long bun maker behind your ponytail and twist the entire hair onto it and make it swell in a clockwise direction and continue swelling it until you reach a lovely bun and hide the excessive bun maker behind the bun we created. And that's just a pretty tip. And with the back section of the hair, split them into 2 and have it braided. Hair ties and braids. Have top, right and the bottom section in ridges like this, and have the right section and the top section of ponytail, and have multiple rubber bands in the right ponytail and have it attached to the left bun and have it braided and roll it into a bun and have 2 braids in the bottom section. Have ponytails on either side of your hair and 1 in the bottom and split a ponytail into 2 and have it combined at the center with multiple rubber bands, and with the remaining ponytail braided and attached to the ponytail at the bottom and secure with the rubber band. Apply some hair serum onto your hair and comb it completely, then have ponytails on either side on the top section, then borrow strips of hair from either of the ponytails and have it combine them at the middle, making a braid. So while you braid it, borrow strips of hair from the ponytail on each side and continue doing it until you empty all the hair in the ponytail, making it go in between the gap. Then braid as normal as you would do and decorate with your favorite hair cluster. Apply some hair serum onto your hair and comb it completely, then have a top section of it, a little ponytail, and drop it inside its own loop and braid it. And in between the braids gap, insert a hair loop and borrow strips of hair from the front section and make it go behind it. Then braid the hair which we borrowed and have it into a thinner braid. Then combine both the braids together on the sides and make it at the center, decorate with your hair cluster. Thank you everyone for watching this video.